Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is all about preparing an instant remedy for your stomach upset like acidity and gastric problems which may occur when you overeat or eat spicy food often. So come, let's see how we can do this. Just take some garlic parts, and before that put a pan on the stove and pour some oil on it. Just wait for some time till it gets heated up. When the oil gets heated up, you're ready to put your garlic pots that you have already taken. uh, Up to 10 garlic pots is enough. Today I have taken 4 to 5 garlic pots. So once you have added the garlic pots in it, just do a good saute in it, and you have to wait till it gets the brown color. Actually, here I haven't peeled off the skin from the garlic because it tastes even more with the skin on it. So that's why I didn't peel off the skin from it. Okay, between let me tell you some more health benefits of the garlic, which is like when you eat garlic regularly, you can reduce the risk of heart diseases. It is also good for skin and your hair. I think our dish is ready. Now we can switch off the stove. Yes, our dish is ready. Oh my god, the smell is too good. I love it. I just love it because it it doesn't feel like it's a remedy or it's a, like a, it's a medicine or something. It really tastes good. I usually make this as a snack for me because I like it so much. My mother only used to give me like this whenever I get stomach pain. So it is very helpful for your stomach ache, and it treats your stomach ache, and it also tastes so good. Now just filter the excess oil and eat the garlic only. As soon as you had the garlic, you have to drink a glass full of hot water added with a little bit asafoetida powder, which is made in a very simple steps. Like you have to take a glass full of hot water, and you just add a little bit of asafoetida powder, and after adding that powder you have to stir it well, and then your drink is ready enough. So here is our instant home remedy for your stomach pain. Just have this and say goodbye to your stomach ache. If you like this video, please like it, comment it, and subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.